What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be reviewing Steve-O's favorite snack. Check it out. So one day, like normal, I'm checking YouTube and scrolling through and I come across Steve-O's favorite snacks. And usually I'll watch people's favorite snacks and be like, okay, I've had these before, look interesting. But when Steve-O's eating these snacks and trying them out and explaining them, oh my God, he's looking, he's having the greatest time in the world, and I was just intrigued. But don't take it from me. Listen to Steve-O on his description and all his things he has to say about these snacks and the lengths he went through to get it. Check it out.
I cannot overstate its importance to me in my life. You can only get it in England, and it's called Pickled Onion Monster Munch. This stuff is so weird and so delicious. You can't compare it to anything. It doesn't even remotely remind me of anything. One time I said fuck it and I flew to England to go eat it.
After seeing all that, you knew your boy had to cop them. So I got on Amazon and I ordered them. They took a while to get here. Let's get a shot focus. So yeah, I got the same one. These are Monster Munch and the flavor is, let's see if we can get that in there. Focus. Pickled onion. Before I open these and checking them out, take the time right now to go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, do all the cool things, hit that notification bell so you be notified every time I upload. But let's get into it. Now, Steve-O said that these chips, which these are so dang small, the bag came in a pack of 6, and like this how big the pack is, and there's just a bunch of individual bags inside. So it came in a pack of 6 small serving size. These are very small, and since they're from the UK, the back is different. Everything is different way of measuring these, but it's like 20 grams or something close to that. At least I think that's what I'm reading, if I'm reading it right. But it says not to be sold separately, so you do have to buy the big bag all at once. And the price for the bag I'm going to put up there, or I think there is where it's going to end up. It's going to show the price of how much these cost, so you can do the breakdown of how much individually the bags are, but the prices for the whole bunch, because that's the only way you can order it on Amazon. They took a while to get here. They don't give me a specific date on when it was going to show up, but it gave me a window, and I got it before that window was over with. But we're going to crack into them. I'm going to let you know what they taste like to me. Before I open them, I was looking at the packaging, and it says at the top Walkers, but it also kind of looks like Lay's, so I don't know. And if you do, let me know. I don't know if these are like the UK's version of Lay's, you know, or some competitor. I have no idea. But I just thought they looked like the Lay's sign. I just didn't know anything about it. So we're going to crack open a bag. And if you're asking what's in my hand, this is my little remote to stop and start this. I'm trying to do a lot more by myself. Usually I have somebody on the other end, but I'm buying stuff, man. I'm trying to pump these videos out. No excuses. So you can see how much these bags are. I don't care if you're in the UK or if you're in the United States, bag of chips are mostly air. Let's just grab one of these cool little ones out of here. Okay, so right there you can see, let me focus. You can see what it looks like. These are like little hands almost. So if this one only has 4 fingers. Let's see if we can find one with 5. Actually, they don't come with 5 fingers. It's just 4 on the bag too. So kind of looks like the bag. Yeah, pretty much the same. Texture wise, first looks, I'm thinking they remind me of Funyuns. And the smell really smells pickled, fermented, or something like that. Just vinegary. So I'm gonna try one. Let you guys hear what it sounds like. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try one more. Now, unlike Steve-O,
You can't compare it to anything. It doesn't even remotely remind me of anything.
I know what this flavor tastes like to me. I have reference points. So if you're like me, and you grew up in a household that ate a lot of snacks. Snacks were cheaper when I was younger, so probably people around my age know what I'm talking about. People used to eat the crap out of these things called Funyuns. I don't know if people still eat Funyuns, but this is a mixture between Funyuns, because the texture, I'll let you look at it. Kind of like Funyuns, you know, airy. Let's get that focus. Looks all airy and nice. Similar to Funyuns, stuff, you know, a lot smaller. Outside of that, they also taste like a cross between Funyuns and what's the other one? Oh, salt and vinegar chips. Yes, if salt and vinegar chips and Funyuns made a baby, flew that baby to the UK, this is what you would get. These are the chips. They're good. They're different. They're good. But are they as good as Steve-O says? They're as unique as Steve-O says, I think. And if I had a craving for these, I don't know. Outside of just buying, you know, Funyuns and salt and vinegar chips and like eating them together, I don't think I could find anything else in the United States that tastes quite like this. Now I haven't had everything, but this is very unique. Would I fly to the UK to get these? I don't think so. But, you know, I don't have that Steve-O money, that, you know, that jackass money. But these are good. Are they worth the price? So that I paid for Amazon to ship them and get these 6 little bags? Probably not. Maybe if I'm craving them, or if it's something I hadn't had in a long time and I just had to, I'm gonna put these down. But if it's just something I had to have, yeah, order them on Amazon. You can get them on Amazon. It just takes a while to get here. So if you had them before and you really need them, go ahead and just order a few bags. You know, it's not that expensive. But I think that's going to be it for this video. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, take the time to do it now. Share. I appreciate it. Guys, I love you. And keep eating chips. I don't know, just keep snacking. Keep doing whatever you're doing. I'll talk to you later. Out.